We have this product. It's a very, very nice product, but we want to create AI models like this, this, this. Can you see? AI models. Let's keep it short and simple. So what we want to do is we want to create AI models that would influence our product or that will model our product. So let's say this is our product. So let's just assume this is the product you want to use. Maybe your bag, your body cream, your this, your that. So what you need to do is that you need to get the, it's not compulsory it is PNG, but it is better it is PNG. So we want to remove the background. So we can just go to Google and search for background removal. So there are so many tools you can use. You can use this one. You can use this one. Or you can use Adobe. I prefer Adobe. So this is it. Tap. So you select the image you want to use. Done. So it used to take a couple of seconds to upload. Just give it a couple of seconds. So download to phone. So you see that it has downloaded. Open. So can you see? It has no background. Don't worry, it will still be white. So what we want to do is we want to go to ChatGPT to ask for ideas. So we can put the message like this. You are a professional photographer. Give me ideas on how I can model my body lotion into bracket my product. So you can say something like give me background ideas, poses and more. Then give options. So can you see this? Can you see this? This is beautiful, right? So what you can do is you can copy this. See? You can copy this. Just copy it like this. I think you have to copy it one by one. Yeah, exactly. So let's just copy it from here like this. Copy this one first. Then we'll copy this one next. Can you see? Beautiful, isn't it? So we're going to come here. We can click this create image. Can you see this one here? Create image, or we can click here and click create image. So say generate an image with the product into bracket image added. Then click that plus. Can you see it? Upload. Can you see that it is black here? So you understand it is PNG. So we're going to upload it. Then under here, we're going to paste this one, and we're going to paste this one. Can you see it? Send. So just give it a few minutes. It is going to analyze it and generate for you. Now it is not perfect. So if you didn't get your description, boom, can you see this? This is amazing. This is one of the best things I've seen ever. So can you see it? So you can say generate with a black model. I think the product, is it for men? No, it is not for men. So can you see this? Amazing, isn't it? So this is AI generated, and this is how you get AI to model your product. So we can also come here and use another design. Can you see this? Let's use another design. I said design. Let's use another style. So we just come here. That's the best part about Gemini. We just say same product. Same product. This. If we want to model another product, guess what we're going to do? We're going to click new chart. It is best. So anytime we come here, we just say same product. It already knows that it is the same product. So just let it generate. Isn't this spectacular? Isn't this spectacular? Isn't this incredible? So to download, you just click here. Don't worry, to download. The button is not showing, but don't worry, just click it to download. Can you see? Click it to download. As I say, use a male model and make it more masculine. So there's a lot you can do with this. There's a lot you can do with this. Can you see this? So we can see, making him look at the camera and make it more realistic. Can you see? Isn't this beautiful? So there's a lot you can do with this. Then when you download the image, you can crop it. You can decide to crop it. You can decide to crop it, so you can crop this one out of it. So this is our image. We've downloaded it. We go to, can you see? So we'll just click here, and we can crop it out. Can you see? So that sign is the Gemini sign. So we can crop it out like this. Isn't this lovely? So that is how you create AI models to model your product. And the best part about it is that what some people do is that they maintain models. So if you want to maintain a model, you can go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, I want Gemini to maintain a specific model. So describe a perfect model, even to the color of her eyes. From the hair to the shape of the face, describe a perfect model. So that same description is what you use, or you can just use Gemini like this and paste that description of the model that you want. And for that, and for that specific chart, you use it only for that model. So anytime you want to use another model, you create a new chart. Like this one, if I want to create for another product, I don't use the same chart. I'll go to new chart. So anytime I come here, I know this is what I want to do for this specific product. Once again, you're welcome. And this is King Ezekiel. So you can do it for your handbag, you can do it for any product basically.